Tesla shares are crashing today and are losing extremely important long-term support levels, which suggests that it wants to fall to much lower levels. We don't see anything but bearish structures, yet this movement is strange. It is strange, and I will show you why in a minute. First, welcome to the Finance Hydra channel. My name is Nathan, so let's talk about Tesla stock. As we can see here, we are completely rejecting any bullish possibility. Any possible bullish reversal structure was totally rejected today. We are not only losing a very important support area on the mid and long term, but we are also making another bearish pivot point, another crystal clear bearish reversal structure over here, a lower high, lower low, another lower high, lower low, because this is what Tesla has been doing since September 15, lower highs, lower lows. In addition to that, we officially lost the $212, the previous support level from August 18 this year, and on the weekly chart, we are also losing a critical support area made by the $217 and the 208 over here, because this is a multiple support area, and right now Tesla is losing every single one of its support levels. And as we can see here on the daily chart, we see another lower high, lower low. Okay, we are still in a bear trend. On the weekly chart, by losing this triple support area made by the 217, 212 and 208, Tesla is officially triggering another bearish pivot point on the weekly chart. And what's the next technical stop? $152. So yes, from a technical point of view, Tesla is reversing the bullish sentiment, and it is trying to engage a bearish trend right now to the next support level at 150. What's the problem? Why is this movement so strange? Because as we can see here on this list, Tesla is totally alone. Okay, it is not entirely alone. We see Rivian, Palantir and AMD dropping. But if we take a look at the heat map over here, Tesla is the only red star over here. Most of the market, most of the stock market is up right now today. We are performing very well. Okay, Tesla is dropping because of its own catalysts. I read the news, right? I know what is happening. Panasonic is messing with its batteries, etc. Okay, so we are dropping. I'm not here to explain why it is dropping. I'm here to define strategies, to talk about strategies, scenarios, next support and resistance levels. All right, so regardless of what is happening right now on Tesla, let's pay attention to its price action, and let's keep in mind that the broad market is up. Then everybody else is going up. We see SPY reacting above the 61.8% Fibonacci's retracement. We see QQQ reacting nicely above the support level of this descending channel, which really looks like a bullish flag over here, right? So a very bullish structure, and but Tesla is dropping. It is losing support levels. Usually when we see these domestic catalysts interfering on Tesla's price, they are usually short-lived, right? They usually bring some volatility for one day or two. Maybe Tesla will feel detached from the broad market for a couple of days, but in the end, the broad market will always speak louder. Of course, this week we have Federal Reserve meeting, so everything could change in a blink of an eye. But if the broad market keeps looking like this by Friday, it is going to be very difficult for Tesla to maintain such bearish outlook, in my humble opinion, because first, we are totally oversold. Especially after earnings over here, Tesla looks very oversold. we see the entire stock market reacting nicely above its support levels. Since Tesla is a high beta stock, there is a very decent chance that it is going to follow the broad market eventually. This is why I'm telling you guys, if we see the market reacting looking like this by Friday after the volatility that the Federal Reserve meeting will bring to us over here, there is a very high chance that Tesla is going to react. Of course, it already lost our support area over here because last Friday I told you guys, this is the perfect moment for Tesla to react. The timing couldn't be better. Okay, we are losing this opportunity. This is why Tesla, in order for Tesla to reverse this bearish sentiment, we would need to see a miracle going on over here. A miracle. We would need to see a very strong bullish candlestick pattern closing above at least two of its three support levels over here, above the 212, at least in my humble opinion, in order for Tesla to materialize a crystal clear bottom signal on the weekly chart. On the daily chart, we are still crashing. We don't see any meaningful bullish structure yet. In fact, we just triggered a head and shoulders chart pattern. We are around support levels, below support levels over here. We are not reacting at all. And in addition to all of that, it feels like the 212 is acting as a short-term resistance for Tesla. So, see, this is extremely problematic. This is why I'm telling you guys, we would need to see a miracle. And by the way, if you're still not a subscriber, consider subscribing, because if this miracle happens, I will be here to warn you guys about it, because I'm here every single day talking about Tesla, SPY, QQQ, etc. So subscribe, click the like button as well to support this channel. So on the daily chart, okay, we see nothing but bearish reactions. We see a resistance level around 212. On the weekly chart, again, we are not reacting at all. The next technical support level is at 150s, but Tesla is not going to reach the 150 if we see the broad market reacting above its own support levels. If we see QQQ reacting above this purple trend line over here, tech stocks will most likely recover, and this includes Tesla. Although Tesla lost its support levels, its most important support levels, there is still a chance that it could react. There is always a chance. There is still hope for it. We see QQQ above a support level of this bullish flag. We see SPY reacting above its last retracement over here at the 61.8% Fibonacci's retracement. So we see some good stuff over here. We just gotta patiently wait for Tesla to not resume the bullish bias, because we are not bullish, but to follow the broad market. Again, in my humble opinion, it all depends on how the broad market is going to react this week, especially after Federal Reserve meeting. And if you do want to trade with me, remember, consider joining our Telegram channel for buy and sell signals. You will have access to my own auto trading signals, which I always tell you guys are very reliable. They have a very high accuracy, and analysis on Tesla, Nvidia, QQQ, SPY, and many other stocks. This month we nailed many good trades, and I believe November will be even better. November, December, and January are extremely promising months. So I do believe we're gonna see very good opportunities soon, if not on Tesla, on other stocks. So join our Telegram channel. I always appreciate your audience, my dear friends. Thank you very much. Stay safe. See you guys tomorrow.